Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this long wig, you guys. She is 30 inches. Yeah, I said it, 30 inches. This wig is brought to you by Wiggins Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as how I install, and a full wig review. So if that is something you guys are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this box, I received a silk headscarf, a pack of eyelashes, a wig cap, and a silk wig bag. I of course received a 30-inch wig. She is a deep loose wave 13x4 lace wig. She is 250% density. She is a HD lace, see that? And with adjustable straps and combs. The lace was already good to wear, but of course I have to be extra and bleach the knots with 40 volume developer and BW2 powder, and make sure the bleach is thick like butter. So here's a trick. I like to get my Got To Be Glue Blast Free spray, spray the hairline, and then comb the baby hairs back so we avoid over bleaching. This unit dyes very quick, so only leave it on for 5 minutes if you decide to bleach the unit. Honestly, it didn't really need bleaching, so definitely just do 5 minutes, you guys, or keep a really close eye on it. So after that, I am going to wash the frontal off. I'm taking my moisturizing Redken shampoo and focusing more on the frontal and then all the way down to the hair ends. Once it's rinsed, I like to take my purple conditioner. The conditioner works better than the shampoo in my opinion because it just turns very fast. And then I'm finishing it off with silicone mix on the rest of the hair. And then I let that sit for 30 minutes and rinse it out. So this is the next day. I let it air dry, and here I'm just going to pluck this unit. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. I am doing the arrogant taste method with the white towel so we can see how the hairline is going to look on our skin. So I love to start with the sides of the frontal first and then work my way towards the middle. The middle should be the least plucked spot in general. It should never be plucked like we pluck our sides, because if you study the hairline is usually thin on the sides and thick towards the top. So yeah, here I'm focusing on the sides first, and then when I get to the middle, I like to do a widow's peak, so I create like a heart shape form and then thin out the parted hair that I created. So I thin it out as much as possible, but not too much, or else it's going to be a complete widow's peak. I just want it like a subtle widow's peak, if that makes sense. So here I'm just thinning out the part, and then this is the final result. So get your Ruby Kiss concealer, and here we're going to put it all on the wig frontal, inside, and also the hairline. Alright you guys, so it's time to apply this wig. I am applying some gel on my edges and then applying a wig cap over it. Unfortunately, I am not doing the ball cap method this time because my skin is used to the cap, so it just slides right off. So it's going to take a few months for my skin to not get used to the spray. So for now, I'm just going to do the regular method. It still works really good. You just have to add some concealer to your parting if you are not doing the ball cap. So, of course, I'm going to play the song of the day because you know I am with the jams. You guys come to watch me apply wigs and listen to some good music. So, I'm going to stop talking and let you vibe out, and I'm going to come back to you with a review.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
So, you guys, I forgot to show you, but I am using my wig dealer spray to melt this lace down. Of course, I'm talking, so you know what that means. It's wig review time. So, of course, I'm going to explain to you how I feel about this wig overall. If you've been living under a rock and don't really know about Wiggins Hair Company, let me introduce you to the best wig company, because girl, this wig company is known for extra long wigs, very thick and high quality hair. Like literally, I ended up selling the other Wiggins wig to one of my closest friends, and she is still wearing it about maybe 4 months later, and it's still really good quality. It lasts so long. So I'm actually super hyped to get my hands on another wig, a Wiggins wig. The HD lace is bomb and melted into my skin really good. They gave me really a lot of room to customize around the ear area, which is a problem with a lot of companies, but Wiggins definitely perfected that. So shout out to Wiggins for sure. I honestly really love their wigs. I never have anything bad to say about it. If you're trying to be like an Instagram baddie with the long bundles like a Jada Wada, you already know, get your hands on a Wiggins wig. Very good investment. It lasts very long. But here I'm showing you guys an inspo pic of how I wanted my parting to look. This is my first time doing like one of those like sleek deep side parts. I think I did a really good job. I think I'm gonna start doing this type of hairstyle for a couple more of my wigs because I really like that style. It's been just in my Pinterest hair inspo saves for the longest, so it's time to incorporate it on the channel. Definitely follow me on Pinterest because that's where I get a lot of my inspo pics from. As you can see, I hot combed my edges, cut them, and now I am curling my edges with a pencil flat iron. Oh, a trick that I did not tell you. I used alcohol wipes to wipe my frontal edges so I can get rid of the crispiness. So that is a trick if you ever have like little white residue or the hair is very like crispy. Use an alcohol wipe, rub it against the hair, and it will be bomb. And just make sure you press it out after. But here I am looking at my inspo pic and just basically trying to form my little side curls, if that makes sense. So I speeded it up. I'm sorry if like, you know, speeding is hard for you guys to see, but it took me like 30 minutes to do this, so I didn't want this whole video to be 30 minutes. So definitely just keep forming it. Use your fingers and hold down the curls if you're trying to swoop it upwards. I use like a sheet hairspray. I do very little bit of the hairspray, and then I just finish it off with some gel on the parting. I don't think I showed you, but I added some concealer on the edges or on the parting so it can be more sleek, and I added a little bit of whatchamacallit, the Kiss root touch up to close the part a little bit more, and then added concealer on the part. I didn't show you guys on this video, but I'm letting you guys know now that I use concealer and the Ruby Kiss touch up spoolie thingy. It's linked down below. I just closed up the part a little bit because I felt like my parting was a little bit too wide, and then as you can see it's a little yellowish. So yeah, just clean that up off camera, and there you have it. So look at how sharp that part is. I basically used my spoolie to close up the parting and then top it off with some concealer. I want to thank you so much, Wiggins Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous wig. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, I said share. Share with your friends, girl, down below in the description. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up